pequeño artista. Hoy vamos a dibujar una casa de campaña. ¿Están listos? Empecemos. Okay, I'm gonna start by doing a curved line that it looks almost like a really stretched letter N right here. Now I'm gonna do another one just like that one above, and it's gonna leave a little bit space in between the two, and we join them on the bottom. Now I'm gonna go from this point up here, so just another curved line, and I stop right there. Now I'm gonna continue going down, 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 kind of like up to here. And the next I'm gonna go from this point, kind of like the center, down. So let's grab one more line, and this one comes apart from the first one, kind of like doing a triangle in between. Okay, now from this point, let's go down, just like that. Okay, now I'm gonna do this side, and I'm gonna put another curved line. Okay, you see how they are kind of like curving to the left? Now let's do here the door of the tent, and this one is gonna curve to the right. Okay, now I'm doing another one just like that, just following down this line I just did, leaving a space in the middle. And now let's close this one, join these two together, and let's do the same with this line, following along, leaving a space in between. Okay, let's extend this a little bit. Now I'm gonna join these three, okay, from here to here. So I'm grabbing the line, and it's gonna curve and go down a little bit here. That's it. Now I'm gonna start doing kind of like the rope that's holding the tent, and on the bottom it has these sticks that are on the ground. So let's do one more right here. So another diagonal line that goes down, and now for the stick I'm doing a circle and then a triangle, just like this. Let's do one more. So this one, it comes right here, so it's a diagonal line, a stop, and a circle and a triangle. And let's close this part that we leave open here, just like this. And I'm gonna do my last rope that is holding the tent from here down. So just a diagonal line right there, and then my circle and my triangle. Perfect. Now I'm gonna put some detail here, like it's just like grass, and to do that I'm just kind of like doing letter U's together. Okay, I'm just gonna put little details right here, and that's it. Now I'm doing the same idea but in behind, and these bushes are a little bigger, so let's just try to do these shapes of like kind of like U's together, and we're going down here. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video to copy what I did. Okay, now inside we're gonna do a little guy that is sleeping, and I'm gonna start doing the hair, and now I'm gonna do the face, and it's just a circle right there, you see. Now let's put some eyes, and his eyes are closed, little dot for a mouth, so it seems like he's sleeping. And now on top here I'm gonna do his hand, little hand, you will see it right there, and I'm gonna do the sleeping bag. So for that I'm doing just one line right here and one line right here, and that's it. We did it. Now my favorite part, let's color. Great job! If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching!